Hello everyone, welcome back again. Today I'm going to be making some dinner. I just want to use this opportunity to appreciate all my returning subscribers. And if you do come across my video, please do not hesitate to subscribe to my channel. And I say welcome to you to the family. Please like, share, and leave me a comment. So today I'm going to be going ahead to show you guys how I prepared this delish. Over here I have the ingredients I used to marinate my chicken. That is already prepared chicken teriyaki, crushed pepper, chicken bouillon, soy sauce, and onion. Now I added the chicken teriyaki in a bowl because I'm going to be adding other ingredients. This already contains ginger, garlic, sesame seed, onion, and I added crushed pepper into it and chicken bouillon. So I'm going to be adding a little bit of salt and a little bit of soy sauce. Now I'm going to be mixing everything together. The sauce is ready. I will go ahead and start using it to soak my chicken. Now this is the chicken. I usually skin my chicken. I like to remove the skin because it contains a lot of fat. So I'm going to cut into the chicken so that the marinade or the sauce can get into the chicken. So I'm going to make a line or a cut across it. So now that I'm done, I'm going to start marinating the chicken. I'm putting the seasonings inside the cut holes. After this is done, I'm going to put the chicken in the refrigerator for about 1 hour. It depends on the time that you have. Allow it to sit for at least 45 minutes. So once you are done marinating, you cover it up with foil paper and put it in the refrigerator. As that is sitting in the refrigerator, I have to start peeling out my potato. So now I have to start dicing the potato into sizes. Dice it according to the size of your choice. But you have to make sure that the size will be easily cooked before as the chicken is cooking, because you don't want it to be too small so that it will not be soggy. Don't forget that the sauce coming out from the chicken is all resting on the potato. Now I will go ahead and dice my carrot, onion, and green bell pepper. Cut it to any size of your choice. So I'm going to be spraying my pan with oil, and I have to season the potato. I just added black pepper and I'm adding onion powder, and that is a garlic salt. So those are the things I'm going to use to season the potato. As I finish seasoning it, I have to pour my potato in my baking pan. Arrange it in a way so that it will form a base for the chicken. I added onion because I want the sauce that came out from the onion to get into the potato, and also the carrot. You don't want your potato to be blank, so that is why I added the veggies on top. And my chicken is well marinated, so the juice coming out from the chicken will as well sit on top of the potato. So I'm adding my chicken, and I'm gonna garnish it with a little bit of potato, a little bit of carrot, onion, and green pepper, because I still want the juice from it to get into the chicken. I decided to add additional onion powder and a little bit of black pepper just to season the carrot, green pepper, and the onion. So this time it is ready. I'm going to cover it with foil paper just to allow the foil paper to build up the heat in the oven. Put it in the oven according to the hotness of your oven. I baked mine on 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So thank you all for watching my video. My dinner is ready. It was delicious. You can see. Thank you all for watching my video. I really do appreciate. Please don't hesitate to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. And I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.